In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of Wise account. Logging out is a small action with big security benefits. It ends your current session, protects your financial information, and makes sure no one else can access your account if you step away from your device. So, let's walk through it clearly and simply. Once you're in your Wise account, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You should see your name there, often alongside your profile picture or initials. That's your account menu. Click your name to open it. This reveals a compact menu with a few account options designed for quick access. Among those options, you'll see Log Out. Go ahead and click Log Out. That's the entire process. The moment you select Log Out, Wise ends your current session. You'll typically be taken back to the sign-in screen or the public landing page. A quick way to confirm you've successfully logged out is to check that you no longer see your balances or activity and instead see a prompt to sign in again. If you had multiple Wise tabs open, they should also reflect that you're signed out once you refresh them. If you don't immediately spot your name in the top right corner, don't worry. On some screens, especially if your browser window is smaller, your name may appear as just your initials or a small profile icon. It's the same spot and the same idea. Click it to open the menu, then choose Log Out. The location is consistent whether you're using a personal or business account on the web. A few quick best practices before we wrap up. Always log out when you're finished, particularly on shared or public computers. Simply closing the browser tab doesn't always end a session, and some browsers can restore tabs automatically. Clicking Log Out ensures your account is closed securely. If you step away from your desk, logging out prevents anyone else from accidentally or intentionally viewing your financial details. And if you're ever unsure whether the action worked, look for that sign-in prompt. It's the clearest indicator that your session has ended. That's all there is to it. Click your name at the top right, then click Log Out. It's fast, it's simple, and it keeps your account safe. If this walkthrough helped, make it a habit to log out after every session, and you'll always know your information is protected. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.